Now that we reached the end of this first section, I want to do a very quick recap and also talk a little bit about what's ahead of us in the next 1 or 2 sections. So, over the last 20 lectures or so, you already learned a bunch of really cool stuff. So, you learned how to read files, how to write files, you learned how to how to import modules from Nodes Core or your own modules or even third-party modules, right? Then you learned how to create a web server, like we did here. In there, we did some nice routing, we did templating, and we built this really nice website here, which I think is pretty cool. So that's a pretty great result for just this small amount of lectures, I hope. So congratulations really on finishing this section and on doing great work and great progress. Okay, I hope all of this made sense to you and that you came out of this very first section already with some good fundamentals about Node.js. So if you feel like it, you can go ahead and create a small demo project for yourself using what you learned here. And I think that would be quite a nice challenge and a great exercise for yourself as well. Now, next up, we actually have 2 sections which are actually a bit more theoretical. So the first one is about backend web development, and the second one is a deep look behind the scenes of how Node.js really works. There's also some coding in there, but mostly they are really theoretical. And I did include them because I really want you to deeply understand how Node.js works, and all my students, or at least most of them, really love these kind of videos in all my other courses. And so of course I had to also include them here in this course. And they are in fact really important for you to understand not only how Node works behind the scenes, but also to get a better understanding of all the rest of the material that's going to be in the rest of the course. It took me a lot of time to put together these videos, like actually a couple of months to be honest, and they follow a very logical and clear structure so that one topic builds on top of the other, okay? So to make your learning experience as smooth as possible there. And so I really hope that you do like them and that you do not skip them. Now, if you're the kind of person who really does not like to learn about the theory of stuff, please just go ahead and skip these sections and go straight into the section where we start learning about Express. That's much better than just leaving a bad review like some people do, okay? But in case you're interested in really knowing how Node works, then come with me into this deep dive that we're going to start right in the next section. See you there.